Hi guys, I'm back again for another video. So I just got done cleaning my AR pistol build, the other build that I did a couple of weeks ago, and yeah, I just got done firing it as well with my Daniel Defense Mark 18. So now it's time to clean. Well, I cleaned this guy already, so I'm just gonna do an assembly for you guys. And yeah, hope you guys find this helpful. Okay, I'm gonna lube it up a little bit. Got this syringe here, so I don't want to over lube it. Just the right amount, in my opinion. Pardon for the dog. Now my dog's out. He wants to go back in. I don't know if you guys can hear him. Okay, so this is the Daniel Defense bolt carrier group, and I love everything that Daniel Defense do. I'm gonna lube it up a little bit. Same thing. Just like to coat it a little bit. I don't want to see a wear on my bolts. Well, eventually it'll have a wear, but just to prevent it happening like a lot faster, so I wanted to coat it with a little bit of oil. Okay, and we have here my Radiant Raptor charging handle as well. I gotta install this extension as well, because I have a folding AR folding stock on this one here, so I wanted to I need this one here to be able to reach the buffer tube on that one. So I'm gonna install this one here. Okay. Oh, before you actually install the you have to make sure that this side here, I don't know if you guys can see it, this one here, the notch that grabs the shell or the casing of the ammo, needs to be on, well, if you're looking at this way, it needs to be on about 2 o'clock. Okay, so the shell ejects this way here, outward this way. So now I'm gonna assemble it this side here. So this guy here is an Aero Precision 11.5 inch barrel. Okay. Aero Precision is a good company as well. And like the other one, I have a surefire warcomp on this one here. Getting ready for my RC2 can surefire. I kind of like dig the A2 post here. I wanted to see the difference if I'm gonna shoot differently with an A2 post or a front sight like this on my Mark 18. Okay, so time to assemble it. Oh, I forgot to lube the inside of the gun real quick. Hold on. Okay. What I like to do is I like to lube this side as well of the bolt, because the trigger actually touches that one as well. Okay. So like I said, I like Timney triggers on this one here. So I have the Timney single stage 3-pound trigger pull on this one here. So it's a flat face trigger. I have a Geisley selector, ambi selector in this one here. A Battle Arms extended magazine release on this side. A Sylvan Arms AR folding stock, but instead of stock, it's a pistol brace for this one here as well. Same setup that I have with my Daniel Defense. Okay. Oh, and a Magpul bad lever as well. I love this this device here. It helps me do a magazine change and a bolt to close the bolt catch, the bolt in this one here. It's really nice. Okay. So having an extension on this one here, it helps as well if you actually have the trigger in the back position. Oh, and before that, I like to lube. I don't know if you guys can see. I like to lube this side here. Point of contact, and this side. And one more on this side here. I like to use needles because it can actually reach areas that I can't with my fingers. So yeah, I said I like to put it back this way here. It's safe. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm doing it this way. There we go. Okay, and wipe it down a little bit. Whatever excess oil they have on the outside. I like to keep my guns clean. Okay, this side. After installing it on my charging handle, I like to lube the pivot points. Just a drop. Okay. And safety check. Function check. This one here, and safety check. Okay, not firing, unsafe. That one on fire. Okay. And lastly, I like to install my hold on. I think it's time for me to swap this one out. So I like this one here is an exps 3-0, and the one that I have installed on my Daniel Defense here is an exps 3-2. I know, I'll just leave this one here on my Daniel Defense. Okay, so the way I do it for this one here, I like, because I have marked, I know where's the mark, because I have the T marks here on the Aero position upper as well, like the Daniel Defense. So I like to put my holographic sight on the very front. So just in case I decide to put a magnifier on this one here, I could. That's the reason why I have it all the way forward, and the view of the stuff that I can see in front, further front, is a lot better than having it at the back of the gun. So I like to put it here. And before I see that play right there, this one here, there's a play on it. I like to push it all the way forward before I actually lock the sight in place. Okay. So I have a mag pull hand stop as well on this one here, M-lock, and an inforce light on this side here. So there you have it. I'm done installing my reassembling the AR pistol that I just cleaned, and I hope you guys like it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.